how do I get this matrix? So if you want to get this right now, you don't want to wait for me to do this. You can get this off of CIS's website. Let me show you real quick. All I do is add the extra value I'm using is just telling you guys, like, in layperson's terms, what's going on. But if you want to get this yourself, let me switch it just for the 1.5 people that's watching me on TikTok real quick. So what I did was, this is site called security.org. And if you just Google CIS controls to NIST 853, you'll find this. This is free game. You can get this off the internet, and it maps to several different other framework. But what I'm going to do is this video that we're doing here, this live, I will upload this to ConvoCourses.com with the commentary, so you can go back or whatever. And what I've been doing is adding like a series. So I've got one for CIS controls where we go through all the control families. And then now we have one for NIST 800. And then maybe I'll do another one. I'll just keep doing these to where it maps. We're mapping controls back and forth. And like I said, my main purpose of doing this is so that I can articulate that there's many other aspects of cybersecurity, information security, information assurance, you want to call it. There's many different aspects to this umbrella. It's not just hacking. It's not just finding zero-day exploits. That stuff's really cool. I really enjoy that kind of stuff. I can't do a lot of that stuff, but I like messing around with it.